Hello everyone, my name is George Buckley, and probably many of you know that I'm the chairman of Stanley Black&Decker. You perhaps also know that I was an apprentice at Stanley many years ago, and this award and my background emphasize apprentices' key importance as a career route in Stanley Black&Decker. We have a couple of prizes this year to offer you. I'm happy to say that every one of the finalists will receive a prize, and that will be a day's visit to McLaren, where you'll get a chance to see how they handle innovation and product development and meet some of the engineers there. I think you'll enjoy that very much. The top prize for this year is 2 tickets for a weekend at the British Grand Prix at Silverstone in 2022. We're still working on the possibility that the winners might get to visit the pits to see some of the cars and possibly even meet one of the drivers. So this should be a very exciting weekend trip, I think. So without further ado, let me tell you a little bit more about the winner. After achieving consistently good grades and impressing their employer, the judges thought that this person was a more than worthy winner for this year's award. The panel was impressed with the time they spent supporting others, both academically and emotionally. They've also made admirable savings to their company and are an inspirational role model to all future and current engineers. So I'm very pleased to announce that this year's winner of the Stanley Black&Decker Apprentice of the Year Award is being given to Kate Todd Davis of Rolls-Royce.
My current role at the moment is within the new product introduction team on site. I create and update models and processes for the new parts coming in. I also write and update technical instructions which are used by inspectors and operators on the shop floor. I analyse part measurement data. I'm also involved with the introduction of a new measurement software. I do capability reviews and I also attend regular Women in Science and Engineering meetings. And this is all in between completing my green belt and my level 4 MVQ.
Kate is a really valuable member of my manufacturing engineering team, not only with the skills that she brings from apprenticeships, but her general attitude and enthusiasm for engineering as a role. She's not only working in our engineering space, but actually also part of our Women in Science and Engineering push on site and a real role model to others as well.
I feel like at the AMRC Training Centre I gained a lot of technical knowledge and it's really helped me at work. Specifically, I think the Industry 4 module gave me a really strong foundation of digital knowledge. In the next few years, I'd really like to be in a full-time position at Rolls-Royce. From an academic perspective, I'd also like to complete a master's degree as I think this would really help my professional development.